Alright everyone, here we are with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So here we are with Mullen Stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. trying to create a consolidation here, but rejecting some key levels in the charts, guys. And we've hit two dip areas in the last 2 days, right? So we need to talk about what's going on here and some key levels. But before we break it all down and we look at some articles and data, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities that were mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edging clarity over the charts with 42 Vision and getting connected over to our bots, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators. And you'll become part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10% plus. But one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was CLNN. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bear indicator and then went into weakness towards the bell. After the bell, it went into strength on 42 Vision, got that bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation, and it jumped up nearly 20% plus, consolidated, went into strength again, and hit a highest point of 30% plus, guys, within hours. And our other home run of the day turned out to be from our Apple bot. It sent out a bull indicator at 9:55 a.m. and from that moment forward, call options went up at their highest point of possibility, 150% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, receive this edging clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to our 42 Vision indicators. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Mullen Stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, it's hit two dip areas within the same day in the pre-market and aftermarket within the last 2 days. And then it's actually consolidating here, trying to build strength, right? And the last time we hit a dip area was way back here on July 1st, and things consolidated before they took off, right? So right now, Mullen Stock is trying to hold itself up above $1, but it has rejected a key area, and we've talked about it in previous videos, and that's what we're going to discuss later in this video. But first, let's pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Mullen Stock got a bull indicator yesterday, very short-lived, got canceled by a bear indicator, and then quickly into the last hours of the day and into the pre-market of today, it had a bull indicator, and then rejected again and just got a bear indicator. So a lot of volatility in the last 2 days, as we could see here within the charts. So one thing that we've been discussing in the previous videos is the fact on why the stock fell, right? It was the buy the rumors, sell the news type of reaction here. Once we found out about Delpac, then there's the speculation that things are not as they seemed, that the CEO was talking all along about Delpac. And then now in yesterday's video, one of the viewers and subscribers commented down below that they've actually called Mullen themselves, and Delpac is a completely different deal compared to the one the CEO has been discussing, because some people started with the speculation, and you could see once that bear indicator popped up and all the weakness to the downside, that the Delpac deal is the Fortune 500 company the CEO has mentioned. And the way that happens is because Delpac is in partnership with Amazon. So it's not a direct partnership. If not, it's an indirect one through Delpac. If not, it's not Mullen Stock connected to a Fortune 500 company. If not, working with a company that is in partnership with a Fortune 500 company. But based off the comments that I saw in yesterday's video, And what this viewer and subscriber stated, they called directly. If anybody has any other information on this or understands any more articles talking about this, that'd be great, because the speculation right now is that the CEO has no other company. Now, I have talked about if the CEO has another company to talk about apart, that's going to be very interesting. Now, Muln stock right now is under a bear indicator, but it's holding itself up pretty strong above $1. If we zoom out on the 4-hour and 1-day, you could see what the bigger picture has been showing on 42 Vision, and we're going to look at that in just a moment. But here in this article that came out today, it states, Muln stock forecast, Mullen Automotive extends losses as EV delivery van race heats up. And this is what we talked about yesterday, and this was one of our home runs 2 days ago. CANOO, ticker symbol GOEV, that partnered up and got orders from Walmart. So we know Walmart is not the Fortune 500 company working with Muln stock, unless Walmart decides to partner up with multiple companies. We don't know. We have to see. But right now you could see it here on Tuesday, which was 2 days ago. CANOO, ticker symbol GOEV, announced that it had signed an agreement for up to 10,000 electric vans for Walmart. So that was our home run on Tuesday, 50% plus. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So if you guys want to join us, check out the link down below. We look forward to having you join us as well. Now, apart from GoEV, right, with Walmart, we have Amazon in a whole entire partnership, not with Muln stock, but with Rivian, which is what's stated up here, right? Rivian is also a challenger. So the fact that Delpak Logistics is a breath of fresh air in the EV startup, right, with Muln stock, and it's a delivery partner of Amazon, it creates this indirect battle between Rivian and Muln stock, and then now against Walmart and GOEV. So who else is Muln stock with? We don't know. We won't know until the CEO actually comes out and states it. This is an unidentified entity, but the fact that Delpak is in partnership with Amazon and Muln is getting orders from Delpak, it starts moving the ball that Muln is working its way into the direction of competitiveness. But these are some large orders, right? Rivian, 100,000 vehicles, and then we have here GOEV with 10,000 for Walmart. Right now, Delpak only ordered 600 from Muln stock. But remember, Muln stock is a penny stock, much smaller company. It's a startup and doesn't even have a vehicle out there yet. Now, they have a bullish stance of having one out there by the end of this year, and then also their crossover SUV by 2024. We'll see. That's just the growth story. Always remember, it's all hype and speculation right now, and it is a penny stock. But within this consolidation, as we see it right now, Muln stock is trying to hold itself up above $1, and it rejected twice at 110. This has been a very important level in the last several days. We definitely want to see this break above 110, and if it could break above that, the next level will be up here at 115, which it rejected twice as well. Did the same thing yesterday to today, and then yesterday, the day before that, to yesterday, which was in present day today, not today, but yesterday, right? And it rejected at 115 twice in both days, and we're doing the same effect every single time, right? And then on Tuesday, it rejected at the levels of where there was support on Monday. So right now, the stock just is not finding strength, and it's super important to realize this within the volatility, but we want to see this hold above $1. That's the support level right now. If it breaks through $1, the next support is 90 cents, one of the lowest points that we've seen in this bearish downfall from way up here at 172 in one of the last runs. Now, we have hit a dip area 2 times here, so super important to be watching this within the volatility. But when you zoom out and look at the 4-hour, we're under a bear indicator since way up here at 113, and we just hit red bars. We tried hitting green bars. We hit green with red borders, red bars again, and we haven't hit a dip area, which is why with red borders. The last time we did that was July 1st, and you could see the full transition there. an extra layer of confirmation with that bull indicator. Now, if you zoom out and look at the 1 day, you could see that we're under a bear indicator since 133. We tried coming back up towards those levels, rejected, and we're back to back 2 red bars consecutively. In the last 2 drops, we've had 3 to 4 of them back to back before leveling off or trying to reverse. So super important. I'm going to be watching that. We are under a bear indicator, and I'm going to be watching for a possible rejection or reversal here of strength, and hopefully a bull indicator popping up on the 1 day and also on the 4 hour to go ahead and cancel out this bear indicator. Right now, back to the 30-minute within the volatility. The first level once again is 110 to the upside, then 115, and then we could start talking about 120 to 125. And to the downside, we want to stay above $1, and if that gets broken through, the next support is 90 cents. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.